Hi and welcome, legends. Quite an explosive move from Hi and welcome, legends. Quite an explosive move from Bitcoin yesterday. Can we still go higher? Today, let's briefly analyze the price of Bitcoin, and also remember, down in the description of this video, you will see 3 of the exchanges that I use to do my daily trading: Bybit, Bluffin, and 𝗖𝗄𝗃, where with Bluffin and 𝗖𝗄𝗃, no KYC required, also up to the largest bonus for Bluffin. When you use the links down in the description, come sign up, come trade with me. Let's get right into the analysis. Right, legends, looking at the price of Bitcoin, you can see we have broken this downsloping trend from 8th of April to where we are right now, finally breaking out. Okay, there was definitely, as I highlighted yesterday during my live stream, as well as we were waiting for the 618 to be tapped and the 786 to be tapped, which we didn't get, and then we just had the explosive move here to the upside. Also, when the CPI data came out yesterday, just giving us this nice news driven pump here to the upside. You might also be asking yourself, why exactly did we stop here? And we're currently building up a little bit of a consolidation. Okay, when I take a fib, right, let's just take this out the way. When I take a fib from the high to the low that we've made over here, you can see exactly we tapped the 618 to perfection, and this is where we're currently getting the consolidation. Also, when I switch on my point of controls, you can see we tap a naked point of control together with the 0.618, and this is where we're currently getting that consolidation and just struggling to go higher for now, right? And perhaps we are simply consolidating, building up that spring for more momentum here to the upside. Unfortunately, nothing is guaranteed in this market, and it's not to say that we are just going to find upwards momentum from where we are right now. Okay, so what I am looking at is to say that, just take the fib here out the way, is looking at this structure over here. Okay, we have smashed here through a weekly level, and there's definitely a possibility that if we do find a deeper correction here to the downside, you want to see this weekly level hold as support. Okay, a little bit further down, it's also in confluence with these highs, which is now flipped into support at the moment, offering great resistance, finally breaking through with some nice volume. And if we do come back down here to the weekly, I'm expecting this area to hold as support, perhaps a week down, and then we find continuation here back to the upside. Also, I'll just be tracking this trend, anticipating that breakout to come and claim this high again, and potentially even higher levels from here. Okay, so what I'm kind of looking at over here, legends, is to say that also when I take a fib here from the low to the high that we've made recently, okay, you can see that we have some levels of confluence. We have the 382, which is considered a very bullish retracement. So if we do find further continuation here to the downside, we could also bounce here from the 0.236, which is considered a rare bouncing level, but nonetheless a very bullish bouncing level, where you basically find support above this high over here. Okay, and then a little bit further down, we also have the 382, which is in confluence with these highs over here, where we could find a definite bounce here to the upside. And then, like I've mentioned, this weekly level has confluence here with the 0.5, where you could, if we do find continuation here to the downside, you wick in and you find acceptance back, right, where I'll just be tracking the trend line for a breakout here to the upside. On the smaller time frames, this is also what I'm watching, legends, is to say that if I go into the 5-minute time frame over here and I just zoom into the structure, like I mentioned yesterday during my live stream as well, is there's just been so many small little breakouts here to the upside, where you break out, and I think yesterday during my live stream I spoke about this little breakout here to the upside, okay, where we broke out and we claimed the high again. The momentum that I'm currently tracking here to the upside is to say that, well, perhaps there's a new trend forming here, where when I connect these highs over here, just ignoring this pivot at the moment, it looks like we want to go and break out again here to the upside. Let's see how this plays out. Another momentum that I'll be tracking is when I connect these lows, you can see that we've already broken trend out here, and we could find ourselves going back here to claim this high again. Let's just see how this plays out, because what could also be happening over here, and I've seen this many times, is that it looks like a breakout and then you curl over and you fall down, where I will then be adjusting my trend, waiting for this breakout to happen over here. Okay, so purely just from a one-line trend strategy perspective, this is what I'm watching at the moment. Also, legends, regardless from a one-line trend strategy perspective, just take the brush here out the way. Okay, something that I'm also watching is to say that this naked point of control together with a 0.618 is now offering resistance over here. So for a safer entry to the upside, I would wait for us to claim the naked point of control with high volume, breakthrough, like what happened with the weekly level. We broke through, we retested it as support, and we found continuation here to the upside. So this is also what I'm looking at, this naked point of control together with the larger 618 that I've just shown you guys, is to say that I want to see us smash through this level, flip it into support for continuation here to the upside, and then we still have to contend with the next naked point of control around about $67,414. Okay, and this could definitely be a scenario where you break through, you flip it into support, you SFP again, right? And then you continue the momentum here to the upside. So let's see how this unfolds. Thank you so much for watching, legends. If you'd like to start trading with Bluffin, I've made a small little tutorial explaining all the settings from spot trading to derivatives trading and also copy trading on the Bluffin exchange. Go check out this video right now, and until the next one, cheers for now.